Good morning, students. We start with the product of differences. First question, 302 into 205. How will you write this one? 302 we can write as 300 plus 2. And 205 we can write as 200 plus 5. Then we have to multiply it. 300 into 200. Plus 300 into 5 plus 2 into 200 plus 2 into 5. So what is this one? 3 into 2 is 6. How many zeros? 4 zeros are there. Plus 3 into 5, 15 after 2 zeros. Plus 2 into 4, 400 plus 10. Then we have to add all these together. So we have to add this 0, 1, 9, 1, 6. So we are getting the answer as 61,910. So 302 into 205 is 300 plus 2 into 200 plus 5. 300 into 200, 300 into 5, 2 into 200, 2 into 5. So these all should be 3 into 2, 6, 6,000, sorry 60,000, 3 into 5, 15, after 2 zeros, 2 into 2, 4, 400 plus 10. All this together it is 61,910. We are getting as the answer. Second question. 298 into 195. We cannot write 200 plus 98 and 100 plus 95. So we are taking the reverse of this one. That is, instead of 200 we are writing 300, and 300 minus 2 is 298, and this one we can write as 200 minus 5. So 298 we can write as 300 minus 2, and 195 we can write as 200 minus 5. Then 300 into 200 plus 300 into 5. It is minus 5. Okay. Then minus 2 into 200 plus minus 2 into minus 5. So the first one, it is 3 2s are 6, 60,000. 300 into 5 is minus 1,500. Is minus here. Then minus into, so minus 400. Minus into minus plus. So it is plus 10. So 60,000 minus 1,500 minus 400 and plus. So 60,000 minus 1,500 you can write as 58,500 minus 400 plus 10. And if you minimize 400, 5, 8, 100 plus 10 will be. The answer we are getting 58,110. So see again, 300 into 200, 300 into minus 5, minus 2 into 200, minus 2 into minus 5. So here we are getting 60,000 minus 1,500 minus into, here also minus 400, minus into minus plus, so it is plus 10. This first we are reducing this to, so 58,500, then minus 400 plus 10. Then again these two together we are subtracting, then we are adding this one. So the answer we are getting 58,110. Next question, 397 into 199. So 397 you can write as 400 minus 3. 199 we can write as 200 minus 1. Then 400 into 200. Then 400 into minus 1. Minus 3 into 200. Minus 3 into minus 1. So the first one, 4 into 8. 80,000. This is minus 400. Minus 600. Plus 3 into 1, 3. 80,000 minus 400 minus 600 plus 3. First we have to subtract this one. So you will get 79,600 minus 600 plus 3. Then you have to subtract this one. So you will get 79,000 plus 3. The answer we are getting 79,003. Next one, 398 into 197. 398 we can write as 400 minus 2. 197 is 200 minus 3. So first one, 400 into 200 plus 400 into minus 3 minus 2 into 200 minus 2 into minus 3. So this we are getting 80,000 plus 400 into minus 3. It is 4 into 3, 12. So it is minus 1200. 4 into 3, 12, then 2 zeros. Minus 2 into 400, 200. So it is minus 400. Then minus 2 into minus 3, it is plus 6. This we have to subtract it first. If it is 80,000 minus 1,200, 0, 0, 8, that is 9, 7. So 78,800 minus 400 plus 6. Then let us subtract it this one. Minus 400, 0, 0, 4, 8, 7. So 78,400 plus 6. The answer we are getting 78,406. Here 6 is added. So 6, 0, 4, 8, 7. So 78,406 we are getting. So 400 into 200. 400 into minus 3. Minus 2 into 200. Minus 2 into minus 3. This is 80,000. 400 into minus 3 is minus 1,200. Minus 2 into 200 is minus 400. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 6. Then you have to subtract. The answer you are getting as 78,406. The general form of the equation, x minus y into u minus v. So you can write as x into u, x into minus v, then minus y into u, minus y into minus v, then x into is x u, x into minus v is minus x v, minus y into u, minus yu, minus into minus plus, so y v. So the final answer we are getting is xu minus xv minus yu plus yv. Here one condition is there, x is greater than y and u should be greater than v also. These are the two conditions. X is greater than y and u is greater than v. So you can write x minus y into u minus v is equal to xu minus xv minus yu plus yv. See again that x minus y into u minus v. Directly you can write x into u, xu, x into minus v, minus xv, minus y into u, minus yu, minus y into minus v, is plus yv. This is the general form of the equation. X minus y whole square, you can write as x minus y into x minus y. So x into x, x square, x into minus y, minus xy, minus y into x, minus yx, minus y into minus y is plus y square. This is same, minus xy and minus yx, that is same only. So x square minus xy minus xy plus y square. So this together we can write x square minus 2xy plus y square. So x minus y, the equation is x square minus 2 into x into y plus y square. X minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. The square of the difference of two positive numbers is twice their product subtracted from the sum of their squares. X minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. Use this identity and complete this one. 99 square you can write as 100 minus 1 whole square. So it is x square, that is 100 square, plus y square, it is 1 square, minus 2 into 100 into 1. So it is 10,000 plus 1 minus 200. So 10,000 minus 200 is how much? 9,800 plus 1. So we will get 9,801. So use the identity x minus y whole square. 99 we can write as 100 minus 1 whole square. So 100 square plus x square plus y square plus 2 into x into y. Okay. So 10 square is 1000, 1 square is 1, 200. 200 minus 10,000 is 9,800 plus 1. So we will get 9,801. Next, 49 square. How you write this? 50 minus 1 whole square. So it is 50 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 50 into 1. So 5 square is 25. So 2,500 plus 1 minus 2 into 50, 100. So 2,500 minus 100 is 2,400 plus 1. So 2,401. So 49 write as x minus y. So 50 minus 1 we can write. So for easy multiplication we can use this one. So instead of finding out 49 square, we can find out 50 minus 1 whole square. So the answer we are getting is 2,401. First x square plus y square minus 2 into x into y. We get the answer as 2,401. Next one, 7 3 by 4 square. 7 3 by 4 square. We should write down in terms of x minus y. So this we can write as 8 minus 1 by 4. 8 minus 1 by 4 square is 7 3 by 4. 7 3 by 4 we can write as 8 minus 1 by 4. So it is x minus y whole square form. 8 square plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 2 into x into y. So 8 square is 64 plus 1 by 4 square is 1 by 16 minus this 2 and 4 is cancelled, we get 2, and 2 and 8 is cancelled, we get 4. So I will get minus 4. Otherwise 2 into 8 into 1 by 4. Directly you can get 4, 2s are 8. So 2 into 2, 4. Like that also you can write down. So 64 plus 1 by 16 minus 4. So 64 minus 4 plus 1 by 16. So 64 minus 4 is 60. 60 plus 1 by 16. This we can write as 61 by 16. So 7 1 by 3 by 4 we can write as 8 minus 1 by 4. From 8 we have to subtract 1 by 4. We will get 7 3 by 4. So 8 square plus 1 by 4 square minus 2 into 8 into 1 by 4. This will be cancelled, we get 4. 64 minus 4 is 60 plus 1 by 16 is 61 by 16. 9.25 square. So use this identity, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So 9.25 can write as 9 plus 0.25 whole square. So 9 plus 0.25 whole square. This is x plus y whole square 4. So it is 9 square plus 0.25 whole square plus 2 into 9 into 0.25. Here we will get 81 plus 25 square is 625. Here how many decimals? 2 decimals are there. Take the square. So 4 decimals will come. So 0.0625. That is the square of 0.25 square. Plus 2 into 9 into 0.25. So 0.25 into 2 is how much? 25 into 2 is 50. And 2 decimals into 9. So it is 81 plus 0.0625 is 0.0625, that is same as 0.0625 plus 0.5 into 9. 9 into 5, how much? 45. Then 0. So how many decimals here? 2 decimals. So 4.5 we can write. So it is 81 plus 0.0625 plus 4.5. 0 will not be. So it is, we have to add these three. 81 plus 0.0625 plus 4.5. All these should be added. So 5, 2, 6, 5, 5, 8. So the answer you are getting 85.5625. See it again. 9.25 can write as 9 plus 0.25 square. So x square 9 square plus y square 0.25 whole square plus 2 into 9 into 0.25. Then 9 square is 81 plus 25 square you have to write down first. 25 square is 625. Here 2 decimals. So in answer there should be 4 decimals. Double the decimals. So it should be 4 decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0.0625 plus 2 into 9 into 0.25. First we have to multiply these two. 25 into 2 is 50. Here how many decimals? 2 decimals. So 0.5 into 9. Then it is 81 plus 0.0625 plus 5 into 9, 45. Then 1 0. Then 2 decimals here. So 4.5. 0 I can cancel it. 4.5. So we have to add these three. 81. We have 4 decimals. 4.5. Then 0.0625. So 5, 2, 6, 5, 5, 8. The answer you are getting as 85.56 to